once again.
Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today it's two curl sisters and I've been on Shampoo challenge for myself for the past 2 weeks. Personal kind of challenge, you know. I started off with rice water, but I could not keep up with rice water because my rice got exhausted, but it's okay. I'm going to continue my rice water tomorrow because I'm soaking rice today. Okay. Meanwhile, I had to do chebe for my hair, and then as usual, but for the first time I did try the 3-strand twist. This was painful because I don't know how the rest of you do this thing. It was so not easy for me to braid my hair in 3 strands all over. Like my hands literally were breaking. Like, you know, that I became feeble and I got tired, but I didn't give up because this video had to be made and I had to braid my hair like this. So I've had my hair like this for 2 weeks. I just keep spraying water every morning with chebe. And then the first week I did do African threading, and then after that first week, the next week when I applied the chebe again, the second week I just did a 3-strand twist. Okay, so basically that's it. Now with chebe, it's very obvious that the texture of your hair is going to improve, and of course the volume as well, and with length over time, because when you're able to retain moisture in your hair, it helps your hair grow. Okay, and then the volume will be amazing and the texture will be just fine. So the texture in my hair improved a lot and it was really cool for me and I really enjoyed it. So today I'm going to wash my hair and do a deep conditioning. So I'm going to wash my hair in this braids because it's not going to be easy having to pull this out. I just want to make sure that my scalp is clean, and then I'll wash my hair in braids, and then I'm not supposed to loosen up. Let me see if I'll change my mind and try to loosen up the braids, but for now I intend to wash my hair in this braid. So maybe I'll just take out one of the braids so you get to see what it looks like, or what the chebe is going to feel like. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share this video, and also make sure you click the notification bell so you get notified when I bring up new content. It's the Curl Sisters. Stay around. So chebe literally has your hair getting thick and also reduces breakage. Like the last time I did a reapplication, it was amazing. I literally lost hair that was the smallest. It was so insignificant. So that means that with chebe you retain moisture, especially if you remember to at least spray your hair morning or evening, or morning and evening. And also you're able to just maintain, because with the 3-strand twist you tend to help retain length as well, because you're not manipulating your hair. So for the next 60 days, okay, it's already 14 days gone because it's been 2 weeks already. So for the next couple of days, to make it 60 days, I'm going to just be doing my chebe and rice water all the way, my chebe and rice water all the way, my chebe and rice water all the way, and let's see what my hair looks like. Let's see what my hair feels like. You're already seeing that this is where it is. Let's see if we gain a little bit of length over time. If we're able to get length, I would be so happy. Trust me guys, I would be so happy. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to be washing my hair in this 3-strand twist because I want to center more on my scalp and make sure that my scalp is really clean, and then I'm going to reapply my chebe again. So but for now I'm out of soap, I'm out of shampoo, so I'm going to make my African black soap shampoo. Woo! Alright guys, so this is the African black soap. That's the Ghana black soap, okay, the one that comes in this form. Okay, inside this big carbon paper, something like that. So, but this is the soap. Well, this is just a part of it. But I'm not going to use all of this because I'm not making a large quantity of soap. I'll show you how I make my rice water black soap shampoo very soon. That will be in the next video. So within the week, okay, within next week, I'm going to definitely drop that video. But for now, I'm just going to make a small soap that I'll be using to wash my hair. And African black soap is so moisturizing, and your hair literally feels soft, nourished, and even shiny when you use it to wash your hair. I'm a testimony because my hair loves African black soap. If you see my previous video, I did try a comparison between African black soap and the Head and Shoulder stopper, and the Head and Shoulder stopper was just a no for me. So I went back, literally ran back to my African black soap. And Felicia's hair, you guessed it right. So and it was amazing. Okay, the sleep it gives your hair is super dope. But wait until I do the next video. I want to show you how I make my rice water shampoo. You're going to love it if you try it at home. Meanwhile, we're washing our hair like this, so let's get to melting the soap and making a quick soap in case you have the shampoo. Okay, watch. Okay guys, so this is what the black soap looks like. I put it inside an applicator bottle. That's an all color developer from Cream of Nature, but that's by the way. So I've actually added really hot water to melt the soap, and it's literally almost melting out. So now this soap can wash 2 people's hair. Trust me, it is so potent, you don't need so much. I'm going to show you the quantity that I use. Although I have cheba in my hair, so I might need a little bit of too much of shampoo to rinse up. And it doesn't strip your hair of the natural oils, because I'm already going to add essential oils to it and even honey to help drive in the moisture. So my hair feels soft, moisturized, and easy to manage, as well as it feels shiny as well once I'm done with this soap. So as simple as that, you can actually make your black soap. So let's let this cool off when I add my essential oils. The thing you're going to take note is that when you're using shampoo, your concentration should be more on your scalp, because shampoo works better for the scalp. So it should be on your scalp, so you get rid of that. And if you have a dirty hair, your hair is not going to grow too, because if you're using maybe like hair growth oil or something and you're applying it to a dirty scalp, there's no space because you have products clumping there. Your scalp is clogged rather, so your products don't even tend to get into your scalp. So it is advised that you wash your scalp and allow the hair treatment to do. Now with a 3-strand twist, it's even easier to wash your scalp and then try to concentrate a little bit so you get rid of all the excesses in your scalp, just like what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to scrub my scalp very well, and then maybe you can now run the shampoo through the strands of the braids. Okay, so at this point, all I did was basically actually rinse off my hair, and then I went in with the black soap shampoo again this time, but concentrating more on the braid. So for every single braid, I'll just pick it up and then apply the shampoo, and then I wash the braids. And if you're watching, you discover that I'm having this, the leather is looking really dirty. That's because I'm trying to get rid of all the excess sherbet on my hair strands and the oils as well. So I just did that carefully, more like 2 to 3 times, and then I rinsed it off and went in with my conditioner rather. So I'm rinsing out the conditioner from my hair. Okay, so you can use hot water or warm water to rinse out your hair, especially if you have low porosity, so your cuticles are opened up, and then you're able to, maybe you want to do like you do your LOC method, all of that, so you can do it and to get into your hair strands proper, because the hot water is going to open up your cuticles a little bit. But I just love to wash my hair with cold water all of the time, so that's why I'm using cold water to wash my hair today. And look at this curl buttons. That's good, alright. I know. Okay guys, so that's it today for my wash day routine. I'll just go back and reapply my sherbet powder, twist my hair back into 3-strand twists, and we're done for the day. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave any comments you have in the comment section. I'll leave more details in the description box. Have a great wash day. I love you. Bye.